Overcoming challenges in learning computers, tips for beginners centrotic. In the current digital era, understanding computers and technology is becoming increasingly crucial. However, for some individuals, learning about computers can be quite a challenge. Here are some tips to help beginners overcome difficulties in delving into the world of computers. Grasp the basics of computers. Before diving into more complex topics, it's essential to understand the basics of computers. Learn about hardware and software components and how they interact. Knowing the fundamental components of a computer will provide a strong foundation for further understanding. Start with simple programming languages. Don't rush into learning complex programming languages. Begin with a simpler language like Python, known for its easy-to-understand syntax. Learning programming will open the door to the world of software development and lay the groundwork for a deeper understanding of computer.
These hurdles. It's essential to bear in mind that the world of computers is continually evolving, and the ability to adapt to changes is a highly valuable skill. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and don't hesitate to share knowledge with the community around you. May your computer learning journey be filled with achievements, and each step brings you closer to mastering the world of technology. Happy learning, and may you find success.